Hey folks, Tom Franiak here with Midwest Cabinets and Design. I'm on the job site of one of our latest creations, and I want to talk to a specific group of people. I want to talk to the do-it-yourselfer, the weekend warrior. You know, the man or woman who just loves the accomplishment of doing it themselves. And how about the one that just wants to save a few bucks? If you're that person, if you're looking to save $1,500, $2,000, I have a way to help you out. What if there was a service where you can get professional measurements, professional design, professional ordering, and delivery of cabinets for your kitchen, and all the help to put it in if you needed it? That's right. We have a plan just for DIYers, just for the weekend warrior. You know, you go down to the big box store, they're happy to design it for you, they're happy to sell it to you, but once you take it out of the store, you're left on your own. Here at Midwest Cabinets Design, if you buy cabinets from us and you want to take them home and do them yourself, we will give you all the phone consultation you need to get through the project if you run into a snag. And to add the cherry on top, if you need us to, within our service area, we will come out and give you 2 hours on-site consultation if we can't help you out over the phone. What a deal. We'll come into your house and measure it. And if anything doesn't fit with our measurements, we'll replace it free. And if you need us to, we'll load it up in a truck, take it to your house. There is a slight fee for that, but so if you have a trailer or a truck and you want to take them home yourself, we would encourage that as well. And anytime you run into a problem, you'll have all the professional design plans. You'll know where every piece goes, but should you not understand somebody or something, we are here to help you. We want to help you be successful. Let's face it, number one, good help is hard to find. And we all know the old adage, if you want to do something right, do it yourself. And if you want to do it yourself, we want to help you be successful in that. So, when you're all sitting around having your morning coffee, on Saturday morning, you're getting ready to head out to the big box store, think of us. Think of that kitchen project that you've been wanting to do, but you just can't seem to either A, get the budget together. You know, our cabinets, all the special equipment, all the special hardware, all the soft close hardware, all the baked on finishes, the UV coating, the dovetail drawers, we offer that for about half of the big box stores. And now, if you need professional help to help you get through the project, we're there for you. We want to help you be successful in your project. Folks, have a great weekend. And remember, Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first, and that includes for the DIYer. Have a great weekend.